Hi guys, today we'll show you the organizer for the trunk in the RAV4. We'll show you guys how it looks. As you can see, we have a few pouches here, and we also have some nets on the bottom. In the back, and as you can hear, we have some velcro which goes all around the organizer, and there is one strip in the middle. All this will be attached to the back of the rear seats, and we also have some hooks for the headrests. Right now we'll show you how to install this organizer and how much stuff it can fit. In order to install, we have to first align the top of the storage organizer with the top of the rear seat, and then you can remove the middle headrest and use this ring to again secure the storage bag, the organizer. And the same thing happens with the other two headrests. We will install two more rings, in this case on the right of the headrest. And once you install it, you will need to tighten. And just repeat it on the other side, on the left, and in this case you will be using the left rod of the headrest. Tighten the loop. Now you can secure all the velcro. By the way, if you are wondering about the material, it is made of synthetic leather, and overall actually the quality feels quite good. Okay, so now with all the velcro being installed and our rings being installed as well, it actually holds quite well. It's pretty tight. We've got some stuff lying around. Let's see if it fits in our new organizer. First of all, shoes. Shoes can go here immediately. We've got the RAV4 manual, which as you can see will fit in this pocket, and new finish and the water possibly will go in, yes, both of them. We can put some LEDs in the other one, and here we have the jump starter cables, which easily fit into the biggest pocket. This is how it looks, guys. One thing that you need to be aware about using this product is if you want to fold your seats, if you want to fold both of them, this will work. You can fold it with all the stuff in the back. You may need to remove it if you want to put some large items, for example, but it will still fold. If you want to fold just one of these seats, in this case you will have to detach the organizer from one of them. So again, this is something to be aware of when you get this product. Other than that, as I said, it does help in organizing the stuff that you have no place for in your vehicle. And as you can see, in our case we actually managed to put in quite a bunch. Thank you guys for watching. I will leave the link for this organizer in the description. check it out, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.